I can't believe how easy you can make this.
Cut vertically.
Put in Ziploc. Soak in salt water for 10 minutes. Put the rest of the ingredients in a Ziploc. You can adjust the seasonings to your liking. Dry properly. Cut the tip. Then pipe to the eggplant. You can do this 2 ways. Fold in half, then fold. Use the other half for the full version. Then cut in half for easier cooking. Use sesame oil. I'm hungry from the smell. Flip it over. Put a little water, then cover.
Remove the excess water and fry a little bit.
You can also freeze this and cook in your busy day.
Well, that can
Yummy.